Bean Beauties, Dee Bean here. How are you doing today? So today is another Henri Bendel unboxing, and these are some littles. They're a little bit different items. They're not bags. So this one was purchased or sent, because I don't know the date that it actually was purchased. This was sent. It was mailed. I got this through Goodwill. I believe it was Shop Goodwill is where I got it from. And sorry, April the 9th. April the 9th. Hey, it's not too bad. That's not too bad. April the 9th is when this was shipped to me. So they take a little bit of time to send theirs. So sometimes I would say it was probably like the 1st of April that I purchased this. And let's see what I got here is the little box it came in. Let's remember, it's like Christmas because I don't even remember what I got. Some jewelry. Oh yeah, it's this necklace from Henri Bendel. Look at that, isn't it gorgeous? I do have the price on here. Let's see. My bid was $29. The shipping was ridiculous, of course. So it came out to $40.05 because the shipping was ridiculous. But $29. I'm sure it'll fit me. I wonder if I can just put it over. But it has these little beads here. Little beads, like little crystals. It has this little bar here on the bottom. On here it says Henri Bendel, which I doubt if you'll be able to see that. There it says Henri Bendel. It might say it on this side. Okay, that side's, so it's this side. This side says Henri Bendel. And I should be able to put it over. Oh yeah, there we go. It just still has a little bit of, oh, that's cute. I like that. It has a little design here that my eyes can't see, so I don't know if I have it on the correct way, but it has this side, and it also has this side here. I like that, cute. Okay, so that was the necklace here, and it was shopgoodwill.com. Now that I opened it, I know where that one was from. This one also came from shopgoodwill.com. This one was mailed on March the 4th. So I had purchased these all about the same time. This one says it was $22.95 was my winning bid. Shipping wasn't too bad. With shipping total, it came out to $31.95. I believe this is a bracelet. I went for some jewelry. I couldn't quite find a handbag that I liked. So I went for some jewelry because they did have some. And the jewelry goes really quick on shopgoodwill.com. It goes really quick. So I'm hoping this will fit. And they packaged it very well, a nice pretty little box, and they put it in a little envelope. But I wanted y'all to see this. This is so cute. Okay, so this is, I guess, would be the outside. Yeah, the outside. But on the inside, it has a sneak peek of their signature design, which is the stripes. I just thought that was great. So this is a wraparound bracelet. Now, I can't do these kinds of things by myself, and of course the hubs is not here. He's at work. I'm filming during the day. And let's see, I think it'll fit. I mean, when you wrap it around twice, let's see, it should fit. I just don't know. No, it might be too small. I hope it's not too small. I'm hoping that it's just my fingers that are not, my fingers aren't doing the walking. What was that commercial? Do y'all remember? Let your fingers do the walking through yellow pages. Do y'all remember that? Okay, so here I'm getting it on. So I'll probably have to fast forward through this. So don't rush, Dee Dee. That's the magic of editing. The magic of editing. So it's a little snug on me, unless I can figure out a different way to put it on. So it ends up being a little snug, but it's cute. So I got to figure out what is the best way. So it's like an orange beading with the leather straps right there. So very cute, very, very cute. So I have my Henri Bendel necklace and my Henri Bendel wristlet, or wraparound bracelet. I like it, not bad at all. All right, Bean Beauties, thank you so much for coming by. Hoping you're liking this series. I have several other pieces, but I guess I'll have to film them as I can find them, because we're coming in to our to my studio, and so things are still scattered and I don't have everything back in place, but I'm getting there. I'm so happy. It's like such a relief, such a relief. Thank you very much, Bean Beauties, for coming by and visiting me for Henri Bendel month. Love y'all. Bye bye.